Today we'll dive into the 5 essential elements of the prompt, empowering you to maximize the potential of ChatGPT and other generative AI models.
Prompt engineering is the key to unlocking the true power of generative AI models. By understanding and incorporating these 5 crucial elements, you will harness the creative capabilities of ChatGPT, ensuring remarkable outcomes for your business.
The first element is input or context, which provides essential background information or data to guide the AI model's understanding. By setting the context, you equip the model with the necessary knowledge to generate accurate and relevant responses. Prompt example: here is an original text, and then you put your source data into brackets, and then you follow up with something like write an SEO optimized page copy with a strong call to action from original text.
Exciting news! Today's video is absolutely free. It's part of our comprehensive AI for Business course.
You heard it, the full course is available at aimarketingengineers.com. It includes over 35 lessons on AI for business.
Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to learn more about the full course.
Click that link and take your first step in mastering AI for business. It's time to accelerate your business with AI.
Second, we have instructions, a pivotal component that directs the AI model towards desired task or objective. Clear and concise instructions provide guidance, ensuring that the model focuses its creative energy in the right direction. A prompt example could be like, give 10 business ideas.
And the third element is questions. Good crafted questions drive the model focus, enabling it to provide specific and meaningful insights aligned with your business objectives. A prompt example could be, what is the best marketing channel to generate sales?
Additionally, providing examples play a vital role in prompt engineering. By presenting an AI model with illustrative examples, you provide it with reference points, enhancing its understanding of the desired output and generating high-quality responses. In our prompt, we will format the output with an example.
That's a great example, Dinesh. Last but not least is the output format determines the structure and presentation of AI model's response. By defining the desired format, you ensure clarity and coherence in generated output. Prompt example could be, provide a short answer in one paragraph and then explain your reasoning step by step, or present data in a table view.
By infusing input data or context, such as an original text or specific customer demographics, you can enhance the AI model's understanding and tailor the generated response to your unique business requirements. And don't forget the power of examples. They serve as guiding references for the model to deliver high-quality outputs.
Remember, for a prompt to work properly, instructions and questions are highly recommended. While ChatGPT has a capability to autocomplete sentences, incorporating clear instructions and questions ensures a higher quality of generated responses.
Prompt engineering is the art of empowering AI models to align with your business goals. By mastering these 5 elements, you gain strategic advantage, enabling you to drive remarkable outcomes and fuel your business growth.